Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Today I want to share with you how to knit a baby turban. So this baby turban is going to be for a year old, as from 9 months to a year old. So I'm going to knit in plain knitting, and I'm going to use these two color right here. You can see what I have here. I'm going to use this color as my main color and this as the second color, and the yarn is 2 ply. You can see what we have is 2 ply. So right now I'm going to go ahead and bring out all the needle I want to use for this baby turban. So I'm going to use 55 by 55 needle right here. So you can see what we have. This is 55 by 55 needle. So I'm going to select my needle for casting on right now, selecting it to 1 by 1 needle for casting on. I'm going to use tension 7 with my main color and knit to cast on right now. So that's the cast on. Then I'm going to hang the weight on it and pack all the needle back together to be positioned and knit 20 row with tension 7. So that's all the needle right now, 55 by 55 needle. So I've already knit 1 row for the casting on. Then I'm going to knit more 19 rows with tension 7. Then see you then. So guys, you can see what we have here is 20 rows. So I'm going to fold it right now. Guys, you can see what we have. So this is the band to the baby turban, and I've already set my counter to 00 because we are going to the body of the baby turban right now, and I'm going to change my tension back to 8. Then I'm going to continue with this tension and knit 50 rows after the band. So guys, we are at 50 rows right now. So you can see what we have. So guys, after 50 row, I'm going to be decreasing at both sides of the work, 2 needle each, and knit 2 rows till my needle is remaining 18 needles. So let's see how it's being done. Then decrease 2 at the both side of the work. Then I'm going to knit 2 rows right now. Then I'm going to continue doing this till I have 18 needle at the center of the work left. So guys, we have 18 needle left right now. That is 9 at this side and 9 at this side. So the total row is 96 right now. The total row of this project is 96. So I'm going to, change my tension to 10 and knit 2 rows to bind off right now. This is what we have. So I'm going to sew I'm going to sew to close this place up and leave the opening at the top. So you can see what we have. This is the cast off area. Then I'm going to sew and sew with tapestry needle down to the bound. So you can see what we have here, guys. So I'm going to sew it neatly, then and leave this opening. The next thing to do is to knit the bow to tie the turban. So I'm going to use the second color for this, and I've already bring out my needle, 5 by 5 needles making 10. You can centralize this work from 5 by 5, the 0 at the center on your bed. So I'm going to wrap the needle right now. So that's it, guys. With tension 8, I'm going to knit 4 rows right now with this 10 needle now. So this is 1, then bringing your needle out, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to hang a claw weight on it. Then right now I'm going to start to do increase at the both sides till needle get to 10 by 10 needle. So at both sides, 1 needle at both sides, increase 1 needle at both sides, and knit 2 rows. The last one, guys, that's 10 by 10 needle. So altogether right now we have 20 needles altogether right here. So it's just to create that round shape of the tying, for the bow. After this, I'm going to knit another 50 rows. So I've already set my row counters. So after this shape that I've created right now, I'm going to knit 50 rows right now. This is the end of the 50 rows right now. So I have to be, returning the needle. I have to be decreasing the needle to have this shape back at the other end. So that is, I have to be decreasing 1 and knit 2 rows just to reverse what I did here. So 2 rows, decrease, 2 rows, decrease, 2 rows, then decrease, then the last decrease to leave the needle at 5 by 5 needle. So this is 5 by 5 needle right now, then 2 rows, then I'm going to knit 4 rows right now. You can see 4 rows, then 2 rows to bind off in tension 10. So guys, you can see what we have after sewing, just sew round, sew straight down to the band, and so this is what we have after joining it. can see what we have. So let me turn it to the right side right now. Then you can see this piece at the top of the turban. So this is how it is, guys. You can see how it looks like. So set the sewing at the center of the back, the sewing line at the center of the back. So just like this, set it at the center. Then make sure you set the hat properly so that the center sewing will be at the back. So that's it. Then right now, with the bow that we knitted, so I'm going to go inside the hat, inside the turban, and go out of this place, then and tie it as a bow right now. So that's it. Tie it as a bow. Then we have our turban ready. So you can see the turban ready, guys. So make sure you twist the bow in a way that it will balance. That's it. That's the turban ready. Let me repeat it one more time. You can see this is the bow to tie it. So I'm going to make sure the bow go in and come out at the top of the hat of the turban, the opening at the top of the turban. That's it. Then I'm going to grab the inner part of it, of the tying, and tie as a bow. Tie as a bow. That's it. The turban is ready. Turban is ready. Shewa, look at here. Mm. Mm.